The Divisional Forest Officer, Wildlife Division, West Jayantia Hills District today felicitated 35 people from different villages of East and West Jayantia Hills District for rescuing animals with the Wildlife Samaritan Awards during the concluded function of the Wildlife Week Celebration 2022 at Ralyang Community Hall. This Wildlife Week began on 12th October and concluded with prize distribution today. The Principal Chief Conservator of Forest, Biodiversity and Wildlife and Chief Wildlife Warden in Meghalaya, S.M. Sahai, was the chief guest. Addressing the gathering, Principal Chief Conservator of Forest, Biodiversity and Wildlife and Chief Wildlife Warden Meghalaya S.M. Sahai, IFS, said that the aim of the celebration is to create awareness among the people to preserve and conserve wildlife, flora and fauna. Later, the chief guest and other dignitaries also released a booklet on mammals of Jayantia Hills District.